Cici and welcome back. I think it's time to add a bit of spicy in my kitchen. So, today we are going to cook my favorite dish ever, Kung Pao Chicken, Kung Pao Chicken. If I'm not mistaken, this dish was originated from Guizhou province, China, then was influenced and improved by Sichuan cuisine. And finally, because of its good taste, it was brought into Forbidden City to please the emperor, and thus it became one of the most popular dishes in Beijing. Okay, let's start. What we need is 500 grams of chicken thigh, 1 carrot, half cucumber, 2 spring onion, and 2 garlic. First of all, let's cut the chicken thigh into little cubes. A lot of Kung Pao chicken recipes use chicken breasts, but personally I prefer thighs because they are more tender. Let's marinate with a bit of Chinese cooking wine and a bit of light soy sauce. And then we add some salt. If you are cooking with chicken breasts, now you can add a bit of starch and 1 egg white, which helps to tenderize the chicken. Meanwhile, let's cut carrot and cucumber into small cubes as well. For garlic, let's cut them into slices. Separate the white part and the green part of spring onion. Let's prepare some dried chili and Sichuan peppercorns. For the Kung Pao sauce, normally I will put 1 spoon of sugar, 2 spoons of chinkang vinegar, and 3 spoons of light soy sauce. We will have to prepare the sauce in advance, because once we start cook, everything goes one by one super fast. Ready? Let's go! First, we heat up the oil in a pan. Stay on high heat. When the oil is super hot, it's time to fry the chicken thigh. Take them out when they are cooked and turn off the heat. Let the pan cool down a bit, because next we are going to fry the chili and peppercorn. If the temperature is too high, they are easily getting burned. Fry the chili and peppercorn over low heat. Once you get the smell, add 1 spoon of chili powder. You can also use 1 spoon of 郫县豆瓣酱. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please refer to my video where I introduce all the basic sauce for Chinese cooking. Once the oil becomes red, turn into high heat and fry the garlic. Now carrots. Put back the pre-cooked chicken thigh. Add cucumber, and now the sauce. Remember, we have to act really fast because we stay all the time on high heat. Throw the white part of spring onion. And finally, some peanuts. It's ready. Let's serve with the green part of the junior onion. The recipe I'm using is kind of a fusion of both Beijing and Sichuan style. Personally, I'm quite happy about it, so I really do hope you will enjoy it as much as I do. If you like my video, please give me a thumb up, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Okay, enjoy your meal and see you next time. Bye!